Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 7. So let us read the question. Figure shows a thyristor with a standard terminations of anode, cathode and gate. Right? Anode, cathode and gate it is shown. And the different junctions named J1, J2 and J3. When the thyristor is turned on, it is mentioned that thyristor is turned on and it is conducting. Okay, then yes, J1 and J2 are forward biased and J3 reverse biased. J1 and J3 are forward biased and J2 reverse biased. Okay, means they have given the four options like the biasing of the junction J1, J2 and J3. Okay, this question they have asked in the exam GATE 2003. GATE 2003. Okay, now so here if you check, it is given that the structure of the SCR, we are having PN device, right? Anode, cathode and gate terminals. Junctions are J1, J2 and J3, right? Junctions are J1, J2 and J3. Okay, so when thyristor is turned on and it is conducting. Okay, so if you recall, yes, the SCR theory, okay, in that we have already discussed when SCR is in the on state. When SCR is in the on state, SCR is on state means what? All the three junctions will be acting as a short circuit. So please be careful. In the SCR we are having the three modes of operation. The first one is the forward blocking mode. Second one is the forward conducting mode or the conduction mode, and third one is the reverse blocking mode. Reverse blocking mode. Okay. So if you check during the forward blocking mode, okay, forward blocking means what? We have maintained the forward voltage across the device. Okay, but gate terminal is still open. Okay, so in that case J1 and J3 will be in the forward bias. Okay, J1, J3 will be in the forward bias. J1 and J3 will be in the forward bias. But what about the J2? J2 will be in the reverse bias. J2 will be in the reverse bias. J1, J3 forward bias, J2 reverse bias. Right? This is for forward blocking mode. In the forward conduction mode means what? Now with the help of gate pulse, we have forward biased the junction J2. Okay, so due to that J1, J2, J3 all will be in the forward bias. J1, J2 and J3, all these three will be in the forward bias mode. All these three will be in the conduction mode or the forward bias mode. Okay, in the reverse blocking mode, reverse blocking means what? Yes, anode is at lesser potential than that of the cathode. Okay, so due to that what will happen? Junction J2 forward bias, right? Junction J2 forward bias and junction J1, J3 reverse bias. Okay, so here J2 is in forward bias mode and J1, J1 and J3 will be in the reverse bias mode. J1 and J3 will be in the reverse bias mode. Is this clear? Okay, so here if you check, it is given that when the thyristor is turned on and conducting. Okay, so when the thyristor is turned on and conducting means what? It is the forward conduction mode only. Forward conduction mode only. So in that case, if you check J1, J2 and J3, all these three will be in the forward bias mode. Okay, so if you check the options, J1 and J2 are forward biased and J3 reverse biased. No. J1 and J3 are forward biased, J2 reverse. No. J1 is forward biased and J2 and J3 are reverse. No. J1, J2, J3 all are forward biased. Yes, option D is the correct option, right? Option D is the correct option. So this is about question number 7 from the previous GATE examination. Okay, this question they have asked in the exam GATE 2003. In the next video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 8. Thank you.